Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy GOLDSTAR channel. In this video is the discussion of common nouns and their 6 types. Right up! In the previous video, we have discussed a bit of the common nouns which are more generalized by comparison, and below the common nouns there are 6 types. Okay, now let's start with the first one, which is the abstract. Okay, abstract noun. Name of things you can't perceive with your 5 senses. Okay, so what are the examples of abstract nouns? Okay, let's read. Life, love, peace, misery, power, promise, regret, wealth, wisdom, pride, reality, poverty, trust, anger, fear, belief, darkness, help, hope, and many more. Okay, so all of these cannot be perceived using the 5 senses. All right? Okay. Now let's go to the second type of common nouns, which are the collective nouns. Okay, so it is a group of people or things. Okay, it's a group. All right, now let's read the examples. Okay, follow me. Team, school, village, panel, jury, army, herd, swarm, choir, again, choir, clan, colony, band, audience, again, audience, caravan, brood, flock, gang, bunch, and congregation, and many more. Okay, all right, so these are all groups of people or things. All right, good. Now let's go to the third type of common nouns, which are the compound nouns. Okay, compound nouns are made up of 2 or more words. Okay, take note of this, 2 or more words. Okay, now let's read the examples. Okay, 1, jellyfish. Okay, there are 2 words in here, jelly and fish. Okay, so 2 words. Next, inside, inside. Okay, 2 words. Next, homemade. Okay, the first word is home and the second word is made, right? Next, grasshopper, right? First word is grass and the second word is hopper. All right, next one, grandfather. Okay, first word is grand, okay, and the next word is father, grandfather. 2 words. All right, now next, eyeglasses. Okay, the first word is eye. All right, and the other word is glasses. Okay, so there are 2 words again, eyeglasses. Next, earthworm. Okay, 2 words again. First is earth and the next is worm. Okay, 2 words, earthworm. Next, bodyguard. Okay, first word body, okay, and the other word guard. Okay, bodyguard. Next, keypad. First word key and pad as the second word, so keypad. 2 words. Okay, next, anyone. Okay, first word is any, and the second is one. Okay, anyone, made up of 2 words. Okay, next, blackboard. Okay, first word, black, and the second word is board. Okay, blackboard. Okay, next, aftermath. Okay, first word is after, second word is math. Okay, 2 words, aftermath, aftermath, 2 words in one. All right, so all of these are compound nouns made up of 2 words. Okay, so let's just give an example of more words. Let's try 3. Okay, so we can have the word father-in-law. Okay, or sister-in-law, or can also be the forget-me-not. Okay, flowers. All right, so let's take a look. Father-in-law. Okay, first word is father, and the second is in, and the third is law. Okay, so more words, 3 words in here. Okay, next, sister, then in, and then law. Okay, 3 words. All right, and then the next is the forget, second is me, and the third is not. Okay, 3 words, more words. Okay, so they are all examples of compound nouns. Okay, 2 or more words in one. Okay, next are the countable concrete nouns. Okay, these can be perceived with your 5 senses and can be counted. Okay, so it can be perceived, right, with the 5 senses. Right, okay, now let's try to read the examples. Okay, train. Okay, train. Clock, banana, chair, house, planet, dog, book, bed, bird, violin, sun, ocean, pen, hat, ice, flowers, cookie, phone, coins, speaker, pillow, window, and so on. Okay, so these are all examples of countable concrete nouns. Okay, they can be counted. So if they are countable, then we can add the letter S to mean its plural form. Okay, so let's say, for example, train, 2 trains. Okay, add the letter S to make it plural or many. Okay, clock, 3 clocks. Okay, with the letter S, plural form. Okay, banana, we count the banana, 1 2 3 4, 4 bananas. Okay, with the letter S because it's countable. Okay, chair, chairs, house, houses. Okay, planet, planets, dog, dogs, 4 dogs, 5 dogs. Okay, countable. Books. Okay, beds, birds, violins, suns, oceans, pens, hats, eyes, the singular is eye. Okay, flowers, singular is flower. Okay, cookies, phones, coins, singular is coin, speakers, pillows, windows, 3 windows, 12 windows. Okay, so countable concrete nouns. Okay, after the countable concrete nouns are the uncountable concrete nouns. Okay, so they cannot be counted. Okay, again, cannot be counted. Okay, let's read the examples below. Okay, butter, blood, food, news, snow, sand, juice, air, beer, gas, flour or flour, sugar, milk, salt, mud, sand, hair, rice, rain, and water. Okay, there are many other examples out there. Okay, so these are all uncountable concrete nouns. Okay, they cannot be counted. All right, good. And the last type of common nouns are the verbal nouns, or simply called as gerunds. Okay, so they refer to actions. Okay, action verbs. It's just like adding ing to the verb. Okay, so let's read the examples of verbal nouns. Okay, swimming, right? So the root word, the action word is swim. Okay, swim. Then we add the ing, swimming. All right. Okay, talking. Action verb is talk. Add ing, talking. Okay, next, smoking. The action verb is smoke. Add ing, smoking. Okay, next, shopping. Action verb is shop. Okay, add ing, shopping. Right, next, biking. The action verb is bike. Add ing, biking. All right, painting. Okay, action verb is paint. Add ing, painting. Next, jogging. Action verb is jog. Add ing, jogging. All right, flying. Okay, action verb is fly. Add ing, flying. Right, next, golfing. Action verb is golf. Add ing, golfing. Next, camping. Okay, the action verb is camp. Add ing, so camping. Next, climbing. Action verb is climb. Add ing, climbing. Okay, next, acting. Action verb is act. Add ing, acting. Asking. Action verb is ask. Add ing, asking. Next, coloring. Okay, action verb is color. Add ing, coloring. Okay, next, boating. Action verb is boat. Add ing, boating. Okay, bowling. Action verb is bowl. Add ing, bowling. Okay, and the last one, living. Okay, action verb is live. Add ing, living. Okay, so these are all verbal nouns, or also called gerunds. Okay, action verb plus ing, verbal nouns. Okay, good. So we have just finished discussing the common nouns and the 6 types, which are abstract, collective, compound, countable concrete, uncountable concrete, and the verbal or gerund nouns. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video. Bye for now and see ya.